dolls, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, that was kind of weird. Like a lot cut. Hey my dolls, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ree, and welcome to my channel. And if you are new, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. We all have already done it. Shoot, I'm even subscribed to myself, okay? So you need to be subscribed to me as well. So go ahead, hit the button. I think it's on, I feel like I always say it's on this side, but I'm sure it's probably on this side. It's this big red button that says subscribe. And then also hit the post notification bell. It's super cute. It's like right above that. So it's like boom, boom. So guys, today I am going to be doing this look for you. I just kind of ramble a little bit throughout the video, but you know, I really like it. Like I've been wanting to do like a pure yellow eyeshadow look for like the longest, and I won't lie, I was inspired by your girl Zendaya, or Zendaya, however you say it, whichever one you relate to, pick that one. That's the one I said, okay? Use your imagination. So how do you guys like my top? I think it's so freaking cute. It's so like fiesta to me, but then also it's like hazard, like caution, don't touch me, you might get slayed. Yeah, I wanted to film this look for you. I hope you enjoy it. I don't have much to say, but you know, subscribe, hit the post notification, and actually watch the video. Maybe leave some comments, give it a thumbs up. That'd be dope. And you guys also learn a new look, which is fairly super easy. Okay, so let's get into the video. I was really inspired. Okay, that was weird. I was inspired by this eyeshadow look by Zendaya. I thought that mess was cute, like real cute. So I decided to try and recreate it, do something myself like that. So I'm going to start by using I already have my brows done. I don't know why my brows don't look cute until my whole face is done. Like it's the weirdest thing like ever. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyeballs with, I know I shouldn't be using this, but your girl spent some coins on it, so I'm gonna use it until it's out. So to start, I just caught my beauty blender. Whoa, I did not need that to touch the floor. No, boo, you stay. So I'm gonna go with my 35B palette from Morphe. I'm gonna go in with this yellow color. So, because you know we gotta do some girl chat. I've been single, and y'all know I've been single. I was like, yeah, when I start talking to a guy, there's no way I'm going to be the type of girl that goes, you know, psycho crazy on them. No, I'm gonna have calm, collected conversation. I'm gonna be slightly goofy and slightly silly. And on top of that, I'm not going to start a random argument. That's not gonna be me. I was just like, no, like, no. Like me and the guy, we've been talking for like a little bit. When I say a little bit, it's been kind of like 3 months. When you kind of get into like a habit of doing things, like, okay, he texts me good morning, I text you good morning, good night, how was your day? Like, you know, you kind of start getting used to that type of stuff. You get used to the full paragraphs and stuff. And then I was telling my friend, I was telling my girl, I was like, oh my God, now all of a sudden he's texting me one-word text messages. Like, what do you think it means? Like legit, like dissecting the conversation way too deep. It means he's busy, but he wanted to respond, you know? But I'm over here thinking, oh my God, he don't like me anymore. I need to find me a new boo. Like, what's going on? Like, no, he's switching up, he's changing. And then he'll like start texting me instead of like a full-on good morning, beautiful, or good morning emoji, kissy face. It's just GM. GM. So for GM, I was like, what does GM mean? Like, oh, so I'm not worth a full-on good morning anymore. So that was me legit like thinking too hard. I was just really like, oh, he's switching up. He don't like me no more. Like, what did I do? Like, I thought we was having a good time, you know? Like, weren't we having a good time? And I became that typical girl, like, crazy psycho girlfriend, you know, just doing the most. I had decided to like, I gotta reel it back in, like reel it back in. Let's stop playing, because that makes relationships not fun anymore when someone's like super like serious and super like, so where are you? Oh, you're out with your friend. What type friend? I thought I was your only friend. Like, no, relax, chill, be that calm, smooth, collected chick that he had met when y'all first started talking. It's crazy how easy you can go like into that role. I don't know. It could be because Valentine's Day is like legit right around the corner. So you start getting a little antsy. Like, oh my God. But anyways, I do have plans for Valentine's. I'm going with my best friend. It's like a painting wine type of thing. Trying to build up this yellow. Yeah, it's taking quite some time. You know, it's gonna get there. It's just because all this melon in me. It's gonna take a minute. So my friend Asia, my bestie, she legit plans everything and she gives me like options. She's like A, B, C, or D. Like which one do you want? Okay, good, because I chose that. I chose A too. You know, it's like legit that's how we are when it comes to our like activities that we do together. Like she always comes up with like the coolest activities and she knows I'm an activity type of chick. Activities. Oh, let's say that like 3 times. Activity type of chick, activity type of chick, activity type of chick. Oh, I guess you can say it. Yeah, so I love when she like finds like these little cool places where we can like bond and become even more like sisters. Because my sister, my real sister, she married and whatever, so she gonna be with her husband and stuff. So I'm going to be using this palette right here. This is the Kat Von D, the Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette. The fact that the names are a little bit like against my religion, pass. I'm going to be using this yellow right here. This one is called Relic. There is a little bit of fallout. So for my primer, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. Since I dang, came out real quick. To be using my Huda Beauty. Huda Booty. I'm gonna start saying that because I don't know how to say her name. Huda Booty. My Huda Booty foundation, 510R. You know what I miss doing? My fashion videos. Like that's when I first started. But it's so sad because my cousin's not here, so it's really hard to try and film fashion videos. So, for under my eyes, I'm going to be using that yellow that was in the 35B palette. And I'm going to be using the M431 brush and just go underneath. I'm gonna tap off just a little bit to be all up in my eyes. Contour, I'm going to be using the Dare to Create the 39A palette from Morphe. I'm going to be using the color Cat Eye. And I'm using the Sigma Large Angle Contour Brush. I really like this one. And I don't want it to go nowhere. I want to keep it forever. I want to put you in my little pocket. I use this one in a while. Just want to like switch it up a little bit. So I'll be using this baby right here. From what I remember with Trophy Wife, you gotta be real careful with it. They're just starting to feel like there's a lot of yellow going on. I don't mind it. Now I'm gonna do yellow lipstick. I'm just kidding. Alright my loves, so this is the final look. I decided to pop on these lashes from Huda Beauty. It's the Sasha's lip glosses from NYX and Sugar Mama. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye dolls!